Hello friends! Respected Chairman Sir Dr. A.F. Pinto has envisioned 12 important values along with academics, philanthropy and environment. Among others, leadership skills is one of the important.
We Rhinites form an administrative body every year, the Student Parliament. Through this council, we inculcate the qualities of leadership.
Every year, a new council of members is elected to form the Student Parliament.
And today is a special occasion where the swearing in of this council takes place.
Welcome to the investiture ceremony at Ryan International School, ICSE Malad. Is leadership in the life of a student?
Leadership in a life of student is a very important thing because student life is a life where you learn everything and it becomes a foundation. And if in the foundation you are becoming a good leader, then in future you can become a great leader, because leadership is something you learns every day. Leadership is not something that you can imbibe in 1 day or 2 days. If from schooling you start something learning new, and it starts at the foundation level, like the school is following, when it matures and it gives you a fruit of leadership, a great leadership.
Leadership inculcates the value of taking one and all together. Leader is the one who will not lead for himself but lead for all in the entire community.
It is one of the most important qualities that you can develop, especially when you're in school. It's like that stepping stone, like we say. But that first stone is like your foundation. So I believe that your leadership skills really inculcate a lot of values in you, because you will learn how to deal with people in a small scale, and that's how you learn, slowly as you grow up, how to deal with the elders as well in your life. So I feel like, as I informed the students, I was sharing with the students as well, there are so many eyes that are around you. So when those eyes are on you, when you start young, it is when, so many people are watching you and you can develop more skills. So I pray and I hope that even the school leaders in Ryan will show a great skill up in their life, and God bless. Yeah.
Leadership is not only important in the school days, it is important for even after you leave the school, in your day-to-day life and whatever position you hold after your school. And for me, leadership is teamwork, and how much you learn team and how much you bring the team together, that is what leadership which will help you in your entire life.
What message would you like to give all the newly elected members of the council?
I will just like to tell them, to be a great leader, you have to be a great human. Be a good human, you will be a great leader, and whatever responsibility has been entrusted with you, just do it with great responsibility and utmost dedication. If these two things are with you, you will be able to achieve whatever is being expected from you.
To proceed with zeal, enthusiasm and the spirit of victory. Once victory is defined in your mind, you will lead the entire school and the community at large towards success.
I saw a lot of pride in their eyes and with joy as they are taking up this new step. I hope and I pray that the Lord blesses them with good leadership skills. It is much needed at this hour right now that we do everything with love and with great responsibility. So there's nothing that is a small position. Both small and big, everything should be done with great responsibility. So I think the key word for me is responsibility, a leadership with responsibility.
First of all, congratulations to all the elected new council students. You all are, it's a responsible positions, and do it with love, care and respect everyone.
Congratulations, YJ Mishka, for being elected as the president. How does it feel to be elected as the president of the parliament?
I feel elated. I would like to thank Lord Almighty for giving me the strength throughout this journey. I would like to thank our mentors, Dr. A.F. Pinto and Managing Director, Madam Dr. Grace Pinto. I would like to thank my parents and my teachers for their unwavering support throughout my journey.
Well, it's truly an honor to become the Prime Minister of the school. I am extremely happy that I received an opportunity to serve the very school who has nurtured me for 13 years straight. But none of this would have been possible without the mentorship of our respected Chairman Sir Dr. A.F. Pinto, Managing Director Madam Dr. Grace Pinto, our headmistress, teachers, non-teaching staff and even my friends who have supported me through each and every step in my journey.
I thank our Chairman Sir Dr. A.F. Pinto and Managing Director Madam Dr. Grace Pinto for giving me this opportunity. I also thank our Headmistress Varsha Miss, my teachers for always supporting me, my mother for encouraging me, and also my classmates who voted for me. I appreciate myself for getting up here. I promise to do my best and serve the school.
First of all, I'm very happy and proud of myself, but I will not forget that I have become the Deputy Prime Minister only with the help of our mentors, Dr. A.F. Pinto and Managing Director Madam Grace Pinto, our principal, our school teachers and especially my parents. They have always believed in me and also made me believe in myself.
Thank you. I feel very honored and grateful to be the Speaker of the School Parliament. I would like to thank Almighty God and my parents who have always been a guiding light, and our mentors, Chairman Sir Dr. A.F. Pinto and Managing Director Dr. Madam Grace Pinto for giving our students this opportunity to be in the Parliament.
It is a very overwhelming feeling. I am extremely grateful to all my teachers and my parents who have, and all the school faculty, also my friends, because of whom I've reached this post. Also, I am very excited to be elected as the Deputy Speaker in 8th grade. So I'm very grateful to everyone.
What message would you like to give your schoolmates, especially juniors?
Well, according to me, it is a long journey. You see, I have been a part of the student council since 3 years at different posts, and finally, after dedication and determination, I have achieved the post of a president. In your journey, you will experience a lot of failures, but never give up. Always keep trying and giving your best, and trust me, you will achieve whatever you want in life.
Well, according to me, I would like to tell each and every one of you to grab onto every opportunity that you receive and make sure that you instill a sense of gratitude, humility, humbleness and dignity within yourself, and make sure that you thank the Lord Almighty for supporting you through each and every step of your life.
The most important message that I would like to give to my juniors would be, it does not matter what post you hold, whether you're elected or not. What really matters is your contribution to the school community, your academics and your achievements that help you shine in the future. Therefore, work hard and keep enjoying your school years.
I would like to tell to my juniors that first of all, always believe in yourself, be confident, be yourself and try your best. If you do all these 4 things, you will do your work successfully and also you will also be happy.
Keep working hard and don't listen to the people who try to put you down, and never give up.
You should work hard, also try to participate in everything, enjoy your school life.
Today's celebration makes every newly elected council member feel unique as they shoulder a big responsibility in various capacities for the smooth functioning of our school activities.
Best wishes to all the newly elected council members as they carry on the torch of responsibilities. We hope that they will carry on the responsibilities bestowed to them with dedication, resilience and commitment.
Congratulations, Anushri, for being elected as the Deputy Sports Minister.
Thank you, Navika. On that note,
This is YJ Anushree
And this is YJ Navika signing off for
Young Journos